Yo, so it is the next day. I'm about to head to the junkyard to get those parts for the wagon, see if we can find it, and then depending on what time it is, what time I'm finished there, and what time I get back, probably at least try and start maybe getting some parts on the wagon if it's not too late. So you already know, with no further ado, let's make it happen. And I managed to get a new tire on that rim that was up front that I was telling you guys about in the last video. It fit on pretty nice. I needed a new valve because the other one was damaged, so I got that one replaced as well. It's aired up and ready to go as soon as I get all the components replaced on the wagon. I found an Accord, a two-door coupe, the same year as mine, so we might be able to use this one. I'm just gonna have to get under there and take a look. One down, one more to go. Okay, so I just got outside of the junkyard. I feel a little defeated. Out of the 4 items that I needed, I was only able to grab 2 today. The shock, I don't know for what reason, I could not get it out. There were 3 other Accords of the same year of mine. 2 of them were extremely difficult to get out. Like, I just could not figure out a location to get the bolt from the top of the shock out of there. And then the other one, I got the top bolts off of the shock and then the bottom bolt stripped. So that happened. And then I don't know for what reason, like all the other bolts from the shorter trailing arm or the shorter arm in the back, they were seized. So I tried spraying some WD-40 on there and I just could not get them off. These are just the 2 things I was able to get. So I was able to get the sway bar and then I was able to get the longer arm. I'm probably gonna call it for today. It's starting to get a little late. There's gonna be traffic, so by the time I get home, it's gonna be pretty dark.
Done, coach.
All right, so it is a couple days later. I came back to the junkyard with the help of Mario. I was able to get the shock out and then that shorter control arm that I was telling you guys about earlier. So yeah, now all I need to do is just get this stuff back to the house and get everything back on the wagon, and she should be rolling again. The mission is successful. Operation Fix Wago is pretty much done. After this, I just need to get a door for the wagon, which I think the ones from the Accord sedans of the same year should fit up. I think it should fit up properly. So if any of you guys know that, just throw in the comment section if I'm right or wrong or not. But I think so. But with no further ado, I'm going to finish this stuff up here in the junkyard. We need to try and find something for Mario's car. And then, yeah, go from there. So just want to thank you guys that are watching. Those few of you that are watching, I appreciate the love and support. It means a lot. And I'm just trying to build the channel as best as I can. So I'll see you guys next time. Peace.